Spin the wheel, win valuable prizes. MacBook, iPhone 17, PlayStation 5, and a lot of cash. Limited offer. Take your chance now. GPT Trading Bot with free pocket option signals inside. Let's take a look. On a bronze, GPT status. Choose the OTC asset, set the expiration time, and get a free signal immediately. Open a deal on your pocket option account and wait until it's closed. Strategies don't make any sense now. AI trading is a new era for every pocket option trader. It's free to use and easy to set up. While I'm talking, the deal was closed successfully. Let's get another one, free signal, and test this bronze GPT status again.
Moobert. Moobert. Moobert.